All right, I just finished the installation of the generator for Kare, Romanski. And Kare, where are you from?
Colorado.
Colorado, okay. And I don't know if you can hear it, it's nice and quiet. And she has a 95, huh?
Purring.
It's purring, yeah. She has a 95, so I had to make some adjustments because there was no sewer hose compartment, so I had to make the exhaust shorter, the muffler shorter. But everything worked out, and it's purring like a kitten. And now
Quieter than yours.
Yes, quieter than mine. She has the latest version, so hers is quieter than mine. I'm going to upgrade mine soon, so mine will be just as quiet as yours. But turned out real nice, and I just wanted to make a quick video. So what do you think, Kare?
Well, I appreciate that you took out my old generator.
Oh, that's right. We took out the old generator.
Didn't give you too much trouble. I was really worried about that.
Yeah, that was it's a lot heavier than
This
that
is
one.
Vanna White.
She calls her Rialta Vanna White for VW.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, so where you headed from here?
Gonna go visit a few people here in Georgia.
Okay.
The director of Georgia Tech.
Uh-huh.
So, got a few goodbyes to say.
Okay.
And then I never plan on coming east of the Mississippi again.
Okay. Well, hopefully the generator will provide you with a lot more comfort, you know, and sustainability. What is it? Self-sustained? Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for.
Off-grid living.
Yeah.
Built
So-
3- and 4-way systems and everything, and now you
Yeah.
just help me complete that dream. So,
Well, great. Well,
got more work to do, wiring.
all right. Well, nice.
Thank you.
I appreciate you coming out and letting me install it for you, and tell all your friends.
I will. And
All you-
Roland, I can't thank you enough.
Oh, you're
I
welcome. Kare.
really appreciate all you've done for me today.
Hey, you know, I aim to please.
Well, you certainly have.
Thank you very
See the
much.
smile?
Thank you. Bye.